Here's a great activity for your students to collect and reflect. And on this activity, I was kind of brainstorming or listening to Joe Marquez talk about this concept. And what students would do is they write the concept or the standard right up here. So they write what are they focusing on, and you could pre-create this for your students. The slides are right here if you want to customize, but you could list out all of your key power standards that you have for your students, or again, they could come in and use the text box and add those. And I would kind of use this as a learning journal. And I would probably duplicate the slides for as many concepts that I wanted my students to collect and reflect on. So, what they're going to do is they're going to showcase what they've learned. So, they're going to showcase that they have learned that standard, that they have mastered it. This could be multiple options for students. Students could create um, a example. Maybe it's a math problem. Maybe it is explaining a certain concept in a book. Students, again, are going to collect that material. There's multiple options within Kami for students to collect their evidence. They can go to add media and they could upload maybe a graphic organizer to explain it. They could do a camera and use a video, or they could take a picture. Students could also come in and add a Google image search and label that image. Students could come in and use the comment tools, leave audio, video, or a text box to explain. So, again, students have multiple different ways to collect that evidence to explain their learning. After students collect it, they're now ready to reflect it. They're going to explain, how did they learn it? How do they know that they've learned it? And what questions do they still have? And so, again, students can use all of these different tools to really reflect. They could create a video reflection, they could create an audio reflection, they could draw their reflection, they could answer the questions via text. So, students have a multiple different ways to collect and reflect their thoughts on any certain standard or topic that they're learning about.